Hello everyone, and today my presentation is on Edgar Douglas Adrian and his publication of The Basis of Sensation and what he discovered. So Edgar Douglas Adrian was born on November 30th, 1889 in London. Adrian attended Westminster School in London, and in 1908 he went to Cambridge University on a science scholarship, where he studied physiology and other subjects of the natural sciences. Cambridge, he became an electrophysiologist and studied muscle and nerve cells. Also at Cambridge, he did his first research work with Keith Lucas, a British scientist studying the impulses transmitted by motor nerves. At the time of the First World War, Lucas was thinking of improving the study of the electrical currents in nerves by amplifying them by means of valves, a method which Adrian would later employ. Lucas, although, never got a chance to implement those changes because during World War I, he strongly believed that his experimental research into aerial navigation and early aeroplane compasses would improve if he became a pilot. So he attended a flying course and died instantly in a mid-air collision. After the war ended, Adrian, who was also a surgeon there, returned to Cambridge in 1919 to take over Keith Lucas's lab. Getting into the research he did within that lab, Adrian continued the basic idea of Lucas's about amplifying the signal produced and getting more sensitive data or nerve impulses. In order to do this, Adrian used the cathode ray tube, the capillary electrometer, and amplification of the electrical impulses by means of valves, and was thus able to amplify them 5,000 times over. Through his research, he accidentally proved the presence of electricity within nerve cells after attaching electrodes to a toad's optic nerves, and then noted the increased impulse activity every time he happened to step across the animal's field of vision. Adrian also had a notable influence in epilepsy research and also investigated the motor cortex, cerebellum, nerve gas, and vestibular receptors. The pioneering work done by Adrian will go on to help later neuroscientists to understand and experiment on nerve fibers and other nerves. And here are my references.